Welcome to my channel once again. Here in this video it's about hamster combat. So all you need to do, watch this video to the end. It's going to be fantastic, and if it is your first time of coming to my channel, please consider subscribing for more video. So how this platform is that where you just tap like this, they'll give you your money. You see her. Then if you click on this place now, this is a place you can exchange negotiation, market maker negotiation, key partnership are coming. So that is how it is. If you click on the end now, this is a place you can earn. If you click on this place, they give you daily reward. Then you scroll down small. You see where they are right, join our TG channel. If you click on this place, on that place, they'll give you 5,000. Then if you also click this place, they'll give you 5,000 also. So look at them. If you click this place also, they'll give you 5,000. Then if you invite 3 people, they'll give you 25,000. So we click on the friends now. If you refer one person, they'll give you 5,000 naira as your referral bonus. So that is how it is. Then if you click on the mine now, this is a place you can buy farm token, BTC per. So look at them and so on. So that is how it is. So back to home. In this place, this is a place you can buy bit. So that is how it is. If you find this video interested, consider subscribing for more video. Thank you for watching.